Steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby, oh. The next two rhythms are going to be a piece of cake because you learned how to pitter-patter and how to mute. We can add patterns of doubles and singles. If you're new to this channel, my name is Stu Fuchs. This is Ukulele Zen. This channel has a ton of content waiting for you. I am so glad you're here. If you'd like to get the jam track that we're going to practice along with, you can click right up here anytime during this video. That white dot will take you to a link that's also in the description below. For your support of this channel, you'll get a whole bunch of benefits, including the jam track and song sheets for this lesson. I'm glad you're here either way. Let's jump right in. Let's practice with the open strings to make it a little easier to learn. 1, E and a 2, E and a 3, E and a 4, E and a double, single, double, single. Come on, double, single, double, single. And when you put this with the chords, it's the same game. You're just double, single, double, single. Good idea to do it slow so you really lock in, make it feel light. Let's try double doubles next, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, double, 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 double. This pattern is used so often in so many tunes, often a lot faster than what we're doing now. This is, of course, practice time. We're going to have a whole session on practicing, so hope you'll click the subscribe button. Keep in the loop of that video. Now let's practice the double singles and the double double pattern with the jam track. Always start with the pitter patter. Get in the groove. Move around. It's good to be alive. Single, double, single, double, single, double, single. Double, single, double, single, double, single, double, single. These are the doubles. So you can decide for yourself which pattern works best for you. Last, we're going to get into a syncopated pattern that will prepare you for an upcoming lesson on I Shot the Sheriff. Let's learn the syncopated pattern by alternating between the scratch, the pitter-patter, and the open strings. They'll sound like this when we count it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, E and a 2, E and a 3, E and a 4, E and a 1, E and a 2. Now this rhythm shows up in I Shot the Sheriff by Bob Marley and the Wailers, along with the singles, the doubles, and the double single patterns. You gotta keep in mind that there were at least 2 different guitars playing at the same time in Bob Marley's band, so you can pick and choose which rhythm feels good to you. This is what the syncopated rhythm sounds like with I Shot the Sheriff. I shot the sheriff, I didn't shoot the deputy. I said I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Now, there's a lot of different parts that happen at the same time. You don't have to play the syncopated rhythm. This is one of the rhythms that's found in that song. Let's wrap up this lesson with a little play-along jam on Steer It Up. So glad you're here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. Be sure to check the links down below for my mailing list and to join the community. You'll get this jam track and a whole bunch of other cool perks for your playing. Glad you're here. Let's jam. 1, 2, 3. Steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on and steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby, oh. Keep going.